how to unlock games on the PS5. So as you can see here, I have a lock icon next to my games. So how do I remove this lock icon? What you need to do is to go into your profile. So click on your profile icon and you want to go and select switch user. You want to locate the user which has these games and you will open them up, or not open up the user but sign into the user. Alright, so okay, so now what we have to do is to go into settings. So as you can see, this game is not locked on this user. So what we have to do is to go into the settings, then click on users and accounts. Then you want to select others, console sharing and offline play, and you will need to enable this. So enable this. Now once this has been enabled, then you can go back and sign into your other user which previously got the locked games. So I'm just gonna switch user again, net tests, okay, and now those games should be unlocked for me. As you can see, all of them are unlocked. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.